use the Sigma database, the main database, and we also use the CRC module. We've used it extensively for quite a number of years, initially as just a bill recording system and to help us to make sure that we could verify all the properties that we had, that we were getting billed regularly, those kind of things. But more recently we've looked at the reporting and importing our information on half-hourly usage, that kind of thing. We use it quite extensively, certainly for monitoring and controlling all of our energy use. I think it's helped us several ways. One is a very simple way, which is when you're actually looking at being billed for information, are you being billed regularly? How much is that accurate? Is it not? Does it match up with the actual reads when you get them from the meters? So that kind of information is really, really useful to us. But also for looking at comparisons between different sites. So is one using, even though they're the same size, is one using more energy than another? So it's been really, really useful from that point of view.
And are you getting things like, like hard cash savings, time savings? What sort of things like that are you getting?
Yeah, I think there's two elements to that. One is from bill paying point of view, having bulk bill checker, which actually you put your invoices in electronically. Although we still do some checking, it's saved an enormous amount of time, and it's meant that that's freed up the time for people to then concentrate on looking at the reports to actually say, well, hang on, can we actually save anything here? If we change our refrigeration, for instance, will we actually see a benefit? And we're actually seeing that in, as you say, both in hard cash terms and also in time. We love to find out what Sigma are doing and what team are doing to actually improve things. I'm very interested in the new Sigma 7. I think that's going to be quite exciting, and we've been looking at browser, whether we move over to that or not. So hopefully that's going to be something I'll be exploring a little bit more. Also talking to other people who use the system, which I think is a really, really important part of any system development and any situation. You want to see what other people are doing and how they're managing with that software. So that's always been very, very useful.
If I gave you 3 words to describe team, what would those 3 words be?
Helpful, informative, useful.